Welcome to DJMTV.
Labour Party don send better warning to those wey dey use Peter Obi name and fame cause catacata for Edo State upcoming governorship 2024 election.
Correct people, we greet una, welcome una to this our channel DJMTV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
The national chairman of Labour Party wey dey call Julius Abure, he don come out come talk. He tok say he no endorse or put hand for any candidate back for this upcoming 2024 governorship election for Edo State o. He still tok say na only party delegates get the power to vote and produce candidates for the party primary election o. And those wey dey use Peter Obi name and popularity dey cash cruise, dey cause gbege for inside the party, say e no go work o. Say because their party dey free and fair and transparent as well. Anyway, my people, I no wan talk too much. Make I play una this video now, make una hear all wetin Julius Abure wey be the national chairman of Labour Party, wetin he talk and everything wey he talk for this one. Make una watch.
We did a postmortem of the just concluded general election with a view to planning for the 2024 governorship election. I have tried to reconcile the differences we have in the party. People had disagreements. We're able to bring some of them together. Where we couldn't agree, we have set up committees to go and look at the issues and resolve them. We have also taken measures of how to bring in more people to join the party. And I want to say here very clearly that the door of the party is open to new members. Those who are dissatisfied with where they are, our doors are open, and I want to make it categorically clear here that I have not endorsed any candidate for next year's election. The Labour Party primaries for next year that will produce the governorship candidate is going to be competitive, is going to be open, is going to be transparent. Our quarrel over the years with PDP and APC is that they lack internal party democracy, which is responsible for production of leaders who lack the pedigree, the competence, the capacity to anchor the affairs of governance, which has landed us in the situation we are in the country today. And therefore, as an emerging political party who believe that we should change the political narrative in the country, we cannot be seen doing the same thing. We must learn from the mistakes of other political parties and be able to improve our operations. Several candidates are emerging in the party, and I want to make it categorically clear that I have not endorsed any candidate. Members of Labour Party, delegates of Labour Party will be the one when the primaries come to choose the person that will be the flag bearer of the party.
Now wow, Edo people, which way? Now wow. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry come from like this be this. So I'm a reason now. Now here wetin Julius Abure talk for inside this one. Make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in the next video. DJ